Hi everyone, this is Brad taking a look at some new additions in quizzes. So let's go ahead in and select a quiz I've previously created and select live game. Now, again, you're always going to have the options for team, classic, and test. Test is relatively new. You can also go down to advanced settings here where you have your general settings, but you also have your gameplay settings. This new one here is the redemption question, which allows students to reattempt a few incorrect questions. We're going to leave that on. We're going to select host game. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what this looks like from a student and teacher point of view. So let's copy this code. Let's enter it in. Select join. I'm going to toggle off the music for right now. Select enter. And we're going to start the game. Now, a couple things to show you here. I'm going to get a couple wrong. I'm also going to show you what it looks like, or what it sounds like. If a student would like to pause and would like it to be read aloud, they can just toggle on the read aloud. Go ahead back in and take a look up here for the streak. You're going to see that as well. So we're going to resume game.
Question: 5 plus 7 equals. Option 1, 13.
Okay, so now if I want to pause this, I can go ahead in and toggle that off and resume the game. Now I'm going to get a couple questions wrong here as well. So let's say I thought that was 72. You can see my streak has gone away. And as a teacher, you can see that my accuracy is at 50%. Let's get this one wrong as well, or incorrect as well. And let's do the last one. Let's get this one right. Okay, so you can see my streak. I had one streak in here. Again, you can always see the coins up here, but here comes the redemption question. So which one do you want to look at? Let's take a look at the first one. And in this case, I only get one because there are only 4 questions. So there it is right here. As a student, I can now go ahead and see what my final rank was, how many I had correct, incorrect, average time, longest streak, so on and so forth. But what's also really cool is I can study the flashcards. So if I select study flashcards, I can go ahead I can shuffle the questions on or off. I can select start, and when I want to, I can hit the space bar to flip it and say, hey, I still need to review that, or I got it. So there you go. Those are the new features in quizzes. If you do have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.